Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Study Hour with AP, and let's continue a seated preparation series part 2. In today's video, we will explore an important topic from child development and pedagogy, that is heredity and environment, and understand how both shape the growth and development of a child. So stay tuned till the end. Let's begin with a simple question, that is, why do children look and behave differently even within the same family? This is nothing but the differences come from their parents and some from the surrounding in which they grow. These two factors are known as heredity and environment, the two powerful forces that determine who we become. So, let us first learn the meaning of heredity. Heredity refers to the biological transmission of characteristics from parents to their child through genes. That is, what we inherited from our parents, not just looks but also some abilities and tendency. For example, a child may inherit the father's height or the mother's eye color or even certain talents like singing or drawing. In short, heredity equal to what we get from our parents through birth. Now let us learn the famous definition given by Crow and Crow. Heredity is the sum total of the equalities that a person inherits from their parents at the time of conception. So now let us talk about environment. Environment means the surroundings or conditions in which a person grows, learns and lives. It includes family, school, friends, culture, neighborhood experiences. These factors influence our behavior, personality, intelligence and habits. For example, a child raised in a positive, loving environment tends to develop confidence and good manners. In other hand, a child is a stressful or neglectful environment might face difficulties in learning or social behavior. In short, environment means what we get from our surrounding after birth. Let's quickly understand the difference between the two, that is heredity and environment. The meaning of heredity is traits passed from parents through genes, and the meaning of environment means external conditions influencing development. The time of influence in heredity is before birth and in environment is after birth. And in heredity it control natural and unchangeable, but in environment can be changed or improved. Example of heredity are eye color, height, blood group, etc. Example of environment, that is education, habits, culture, etc. So we have understand that heredity gives the foundation and environment shape how foundation develops. Now comes to the most important part, that is both heredity and environment works together. It is not just one or the other. For example, a child may have inherited musical talent heredity, but it can also develop fully if they get trained and encouragement environment. Just like a seed and soil, the seed represents heredity. It has potential inside it. The soil, sunlight and water represent the environment. They help the seed grow. Without either one, proper development is not possible without both heredity and environment. Now let us learn about how heredity and environment is implemented in education. Understanding heredity and environment helps teachers in many ways, recognizing individual differences. Every child is unique because of their hereditary traits and environment. So teachers should avoid comparisons and encourage personalized learning. Provide supportive environment. A healthy, motivating classroom atmosphere helps students achieve their potential. Encouraging holistic development, education should focus on physical, mental, emotional, and social growth. Understanding limitations. Some capabilities are hereditary, but they can be improved with the right guidance and opportunities. Now let's have a quick revision and note down a key point what we have learned today. Point number 1, that is heredity is what we inherited from our parents. Point number 2, environment is what we learned from our surrounding. Point number 3, both together shape our personality, intelligence and behavior. And the last is point number 5, teachers play a key role in creating a positive environment for children to grow. So, friends, heredity gives us the base and environment builds the structure together. So, make us who we are. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are preparing for CTET, Assam TET, or any education exam. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep growing.